Good morning, Badr Tigers Private Schools. This is Mr. Atif, Prep 2, first term 2021, unit number 5. Let's start with the vocabulary. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. My mother will space up the kitchen after she finishes cooking. Don't say put up the kitchen or give up or make up the kitchen. The correct answer is C, tidy. Number 2. The teacher was very angry when the class was space. Angry. Okay? The teacher won't be angry when the class is tidy or clean or arranged. The correct answer is C, messy. Number 3. We all remember our grandmother's space. She always helped us when we were young. Helped. Okay? So, it's not talking about address or illness or princess, of course. Yes, the correct answer is C, kindness. Number 4, the film is space. You should watch it. You should watch. I won't say you should watch when the film is boring or terrible or bad. The correct answer is C, fantastic. Very good, wonderful. Number 5, good and kind people always space to charities to help the poor. Charities, yes, means companies or associations to help poor and ill people. So, good and kind people won't share to, or feed to, or start to. The correct answer is B, donate, means to give for good. Number 6, people should care space their environment. Care is followed by a specific preposition. You can't say care to, or out, or around. The correct answer is D, about. Number 7, Twitter is one of the most popular space media websites. We can't say that Twitter is local media or magnetic or mixed media. The correct answer is C, social. Number 8, you can't travel to any country without a space. That means you can't. Okay? Laptop, it's not necessary. A suitcase, yes, it's not necessary. I can buy one from there. A school bag, of course not. It's just for school. The correct answer is B, passport. Let's move to the grammar. Number 1, you have 2 mobiles, so you space buy a new one. You have 2. Okay? So, don't say the affirmative forms have to, and of course you doesn't take has to. And for you can say a negative form, okay? But of course, it's not doesn't have to, because you is not followed by doesn't. Okay? So the correct answer is B, don't have to. Number 2, what should I space before going to school? We said before that will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, and their negatives are followed by the infinitive verb, means the stem verb. So I can't say with should, did, or does, or done. The correct answer is A, do. Number 3, this is Mr. Khalid. Space teaches us social studies. Mr. Khalid is a person. We don't refer to the person by which or where or when. Which for things or animals, where for places, when for time. So the correct answer is B, who. Number 4, Al Nasr School is the place, space, Mr. Hani works. This is a place. Don't refer to places by which unless it was something we describe or we did something for it, not in it. And of course, not who for persons, and not that, it's for person and things and animals. The correct answer is where, where. Number 5, students space make noise at class. You know noise, okay? A lot of sounds and voices. So let's try to find a negative form. Must, should, have to are not negatives. The correct answer is C, shouldn't. Number 6, what subject do you have to space? To is a preposition which mostly followed by infinitives. So studied is not infinitive, studying or studies. The correct answer is A, study. Number 7, the man space is sitting next to me is called Saeed. Okay, so he's a man. Don't refer to a man by when. Okay, whose, you can use whose, but of course if it's followed by something the man owns, and you don't refer to the man by where. So the correct answer is C, who. Number 8, I saw Khalid in the club space we often play football. The club is a place. Okay, we don't ask or talk about places by when or who or whose. We ask and refer with the relative clause or the relative pronoun. Yes, the correct answer is A, where. Your homework will be page number 3. Thank you very much. Goodbye.